Hey guys, what's going on? My name is E-Man and today I'm going to be showing you my Nova Launcher setup. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice with this setup is how clean it looks. And part of the reason why it looks so clean is because of the icon pack that I have. And that icon pack is Keysil Icon Pack. So all you're going to do to get this icon pack is go into the Play Store and search for Keysil Icon Pack. And here it is, right here. You can either use Keysil or you can use Delta, both of which look very nice, and they both have that same softer look to the icons. Keysil just has a smaller icon look than Delta does, but with this next thing that you'll need, you can actually resize the icons. So Nova Launcher and Nova Launcher Prime. So you'll need Nova Launcher, and then just search for Nova Launcher Prime, and then you can pick up Nova Launcher Prime. You do need Nova Launcher Prime for this setup. So next on this list that you need is Super Widget Pro. And right here. So once you have gotten Super Widget Pro from the Play Store, it is paid. You can use all the Super Widgets that are in this video. You will also need, after downloading Super Widget Pro, you'll need Huck for Super. So once you've gotten Huck for Super, you can continue on to Europa for Super. Here it is. So once you've installed Europa for Super, the best wallpapers app that I have found is Backdrops. So go ahead and get Backdrops. Alright, so that's all you'll need for this setup. So once you've gotten all those things for this setup, go ahead and follow the instructions that I'll show you now. Okay, so what I've done is I've jumped into the Nova Launcher settings. If you don't know how to do that, just go ahead, hold down on the home page, and click the settings. Alright, and there you go. So now, for the desktop, you'll need the desktop grid to be a 5x6 grid. You'll also need the icon size and layout to be icons to 100% and labels turned off. Then, you'll need to scroll down here and go to Scroll Effect and set it to accordion. So as you can see, it is set to accordion. And then you can enable wallpaper scrolling if you like. So I believe that is about it. Yes, that is it. And then app widgets and drawers is what you will need next. So for the drawer app grid, have it 5x6. The icon layout, 110% icon size with labels. Then you'll need to change the app drawer style to a list, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. You can set the background to gray, and you can have the transparency all the way up to 70%. And you need to enable the fast scroll bar and make the scroll bar color be white instead of orange. And you do have a search bar at the top of the app drawer because it'll make your app finding incredibly quick. Alright, so once you've done that, go to the dock, enable the dock, and just leave it how it is. Just enable the dock. Alright, now once you've done that, go to folders. And what I want you to do is go to the folder preview and select grid. Once you've done that, go to the background color and transparency and select black and do the transparency to 0. This looks best on an AMOLED display. The icon size is 100% and there are labels enabled. So once you've done that, you can go down to look and feel, select your icon pack to be Keysil, and once you've done that, normalize the icon size, and then you can change the scroll speed if you like, or the animation speed if you like. You don't have to, but you can. Then turn off notification bar, as that will hide the status bar. Then what you're going to need to do is go to gestures and inputs, and you can have the home button activation be for the search, which is a very handy thing to have. Then the next thing you're going to need is the swipe down from anywhere on the home screen to expand your notification shade. I highly recommend you do that as that increases the efficiency by a lot. Next, notification badges. What you're going to do is you're going to select the notification style and just go ahead and select dots and select large, and that's it. Alright? Okay, so now I've exited out of the Nova Launcher settings, and here we go, we're going to get started. So let me just go ahead and make a blank page. So now that I've created a blank page, well, everything else is blank except for the dock, and I'll show you why in a second. The dock is actually the search bar, so the search bar is in the dock. So I can actually just go ahead and remove the widget from the dock, and there we go. But put a widget in the dock, and I'll show you the widget that you'll need here. So go to your widgets and scroll all the way down to the bottom where Super Widget is. Scroll all the way over to the 5x1 widget. tap and hold on it and bring it out to your home page. Once you've done that, click into the widget and then click Europa. And once you've clicked into Europa, find the Europa 002. Then what you can do is scroll down and click Scaling and scale it all the way out to 110%. Exit, and then it will automatically update the widget to be that size. So once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and go all the way down to the bottom and grab the, let me see, I don't know exactly the widget size, but we are just going to go ahead and grab the 5x1 again, except we're going to resize the 5x1 to a 5x2. Go into the widget and select Huck for Zooper. Once you have selected Huck for Zooper, just go ahead and let this load, and you will go ahead and search for the widget that I will show you here. Zooper PPIC 106. So select that and then scroll down to scale the widget 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to 150. And once you've done that, it will automatically update, and there you have your widget. You can even go ahead and update the widget size to 6 if you want to, so 160. And it will update here in a sec. Sometimes if it doesn't upgrade, just click into it and then exit, and then it should upgrade. There you go. So now you see the widget size right here. So go ahead and drag this down to right about here. So once you've done that, you go ahead and find the icons that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into my stock. I'm going to grab my phone application. I'm going to drag it right there. I'm going to go ahead and find my phone application again. Drag it there. I'm just going to go ahead and grab the same app all the time just to make this simple and quick. And again, you do have 5 icons across, so you can perform this exact same look. Alright, so now we've gotten that, and that is what our setup will look like. Now for the wallpaper, we're going to go ahead and go into backdrops. So once you've gone into backdrops, just go ahead and search for minimal. So search minimal, and then scroll down all the way until you see pink drizzle or mint drizzle. Click into it and then tap set. And there you go, you're all set. Here is your Nova Launcher setup. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all in the next one.